Looking for grey high-top Converse for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below, and choose your favorite one. Number 1, the iconic, timeless Chuck Taylor All-Star Sneaker. Perfect in its simplicity since 1917. Lightweight, breathable canvas construction. Vulcanized rubber sole delivers durable traction, by Converse. Number 2, Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star High Top. 7.5 men, 9.5 women, charcoal, another great product by Converse. Number 3, Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star 2018. Seasonal high top sneaker, cool gray/shoreline blue. Ortholite insoles for cushioning takes comfort to the next level. Weihnachten 2018 ist fast da. Klick and see auf diesen Link, weitere tolle Angebote und Ideen zu erhalten. Hol dir dies jetzt.